Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Let us see next question, that is question number 3. Prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. So here we have to take an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the 3 sides are equal. So here consider ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB, BC and AC, all the 3 are of same length. So here let us take AB as A units, then BC is also A units and CA also A units. Right. Now here let us draw an altitude. Here especially in an equilateral triangle, altitude and the median both are the same. Here AE is perpendicular to BC, that means AE, name of the AE is altitude. Moreover, E is the midpoint of BC also. In that way AE will be median. Right? Here how can we say that this can be a median? Very easy, orally I will tell you. If you take the triangle AEB and AEC, let us compare these two triangles. Here you see this is 90 degrees, one angle, and here this side also 90 degrees. These two angles are equal. At the same time here AC and AB both are equal, and here angle C equal to 60 degrees. Since it is equal triangle, angle B also 60 degrees, because this triangle ABC has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. So as you know, the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That is called angle sum property, in which if you divide 180 into 3 parts, angle A will be 60, angle B is 60, angle C is 60. Therefore angle B and angle C both are equal. Angle E and angle E, both the angles 90 degrees each, and here AB equal to AC. Therefore by AAS congruency axiom, these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, BE equal to EC. That's why we can say that here E is the midpoint. When E is the midpoint, we can say A is median also. So simply here I am saying, if BC is A, then we can take BE as A by 2, because here E is the midpoint. Similarly EC also A by 2. Now here then what is to be proved? Let us write here first, given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. We can take it as here AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal, let us take some A units. Okay. Then here we need to take one altitude. So here let us write AE is an altitude. Clearly AE is also a median. AE is also a median. That means E is the midpoint of BC. That means here you can write BE or CE, we can write EC also. BE and EC both are A by 2. Right, A by 2, because this value is A units. BE will be A by 2 because E is the midpoint of BC. Now here let us write to prove. What to prove now? Read the question carefully. 3 times square of any side. So here 3 times square of any side is 4 times square of its altitude, 4 times square of its altitude, right. So this is what we need to prove. Let us substitute the values here 3 times. We can take square means square of any side means since all the 3 sides are small a, we can take any one. So 3 times a square is equal to 4 times here altitude is ae. So ae square. If you want still more clearly, in place of a, in place of the small a, you can add ab also. So here let us write 3 times ab square. 3 times ab square is equal to 4e square. This is what we need to prove. So let us enter the proof. Right. Here already AB value is known for us, that is small a. So AB square will be small a square. That is right. Now here AE value is not known. So we need to find AE here. So let us consider triangle AEB in which angle E equal 90 degrees. So here we can write from triangle AEB where angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Here whenever we get a right angle triangle, we are applying a theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. So let us write here by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square. So here not to feel difficulty, here separately I am drawing for you. Here is A, here is E, and this is B. This is 90 degrees. This one, as you know, this is a by 2 and this is small a. Now this is hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to side square plus side square. AE square plus BE square. Let us substitute the values. AB square is small a square is equal to AE square. That is what we need to find. Let us maintain as it is. Plus BE square means a by 2 whole square. A by 2 whole square. As we know, it is whole square. Clear? As we know AE square, let us send this a by 2 whole square to left hand side. Then what happens? It is positive, positive becomes negative. So here we can write AE square is equal to a square minus a by 2 whole square. This positive a by 2 whole square, when we send this side it become minus, means negative a by 2 whole square. Let us simplify this. A square minus, this is a square by 2 square is 4. Let us take LCM. 4 as LCM. 4a square minus a square, that is 3a square. So it is 3a square by 4. So here AE square is finally, AE square is 3a square by 4. Right. Now here after applying Pythagoras theorem, let us consider either LHS or RHS. Here I am going to consider RHS, right hand side part, that is 4 times AE square is equal to 4 times AE square. Already this is AE square it is. See here AE square. So we can take this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2, and it as equation number 3. Here in place of BE we have written a by 2 whole square. Here we need to mention that this is written from equation, using equation 2. So let us write here, since from equation 2 I have changed this. Now here let us come back. In place of AE square I can add 3a square by 4. 3a square by 4. This is what, since from equation 3. Let us cancel 4 and 4. Now here we got 3 times a square. So here 3 times a square means we can write 3. A means we can add ab square. A square means, or 3 times bc square, or 3 times ca square, because each one is a, right? So a square can be written as either ab square, because ab is equal to small a, so small a equal to ab, a square equal to ab square. Same way small a equal to bc, so a square equal to bc square. Small a equal to ca, so a square equal to ca square. That means here you understand that So here finally what we got, 3ab square, 3ab square got or not here? We got exactly. So we can write here LHS, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. That means here we got 3 times square of any side. Actually here we wrote only 3ab square. We can write 3bc square also, or we can write 3ac square also. That is equal to 4 times altitude square, 4ae square. So finally read the question once again. Prove that 3 times square of any side of the equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. So with this we can write here, hence proved. With this problem 3 gets completed.